Hello friends, in this video I will show how to convert column into CSV using simple Excel function. So there are two methods. First one, type here equal sign, then type concat, double click on it. Now select your data. Now and symbol. Now this quotation mark, comma. If you need space, so make space or remove space, quotation mark and closing bracket. Then press enter. So you have this data into CSV format. This is the method 1. Second method, type here equal sign. Now type text join. Double click on it. Now delimiter. So this symbol, comma. Again this symbol and comma. Now here you will see two value, true for ignore empty cells or false including empty cells. So select any value. I will select true, ignore empty cells. Now comma and select data and closing bracket. Press enter. So these two methods you can convert your Excel data into, and you can convert column into CSV in Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.